Hello and welcome to the Philippines. I know a lot of you guys and girls like meat and beef, so I was in a little kind of like a strip mall close to IT Park called 88th Avenue, and I found a new meat shop here, and we're going to go in, meet the people there, take a look around.
Hello, sir.
Meat store. Hello, how are
Good
you?
afternoon.
You have a
Welcome to the
meat
Carne
store?
We have Angus and we have also Australian beef.
Oh, do
We
you?
have Wagyu also.
Oh, right.
Wagyu also. Hi, sir. Welcome to the Carne store.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Very good.
Very good.
Can I do a video?
Yes, definitely.
Who's the boss? Who's the boss? Okay.
Everybody is one team.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
One for all.
I have a YouTube channel it's called Amazing Philippines, and I just did a video of the hotel,
Okay.
and so I'm going to put this in the video.
Yeah, cool.
So when did you open?
Oh, we opened last Sinulog Sunday,
Okay.
17th of January.
Okay.
And we're a brand from Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
Yeah, so
Okay.
my dad started the main meat shop in Abu Dhabi.
Okay.
But he's Laking Cebu. He grew up in Cebu.
Okay.
So we wanted to bring something from what we discovered and grew in Abu Dhabi back to Cebu,
Oh, okay.
where he grew up.
Wow.
So this is our team, Chef James, Chef Ed
Chef.
in the back.
Nice to meet you.
With your mic, with your
Hi.
phone. So, what we do here is we bridge the gap between people and meat. So, whether it be a dish that you have in mind or a steak experience you want to do at home, we have something for you.
Okay.
And they're all...
You import most of this or all of it?
So, what we do is we work with the same distributors for restaurants, hotels, catering,
Okay.
and we make it available for retail, for consumers. So we buy from the same suppliers as hotels and restaurants.
Okay.
But we make it available to people
All right,
like us
all right.
and you. Yeah. So we have award-winning Wagyu from Australia. We have also Australian grass-fed and Angus beef. So we got
Okay.
some nice tri-tip. So we're giving education as well on different cuts, not just the primary cuts. So I love skirt steak, for example.
Okay. Yeah, I prefer the grass-fed. It's
Grass-fed is really delicious, especially when it's from a great pasture like Australia. Whereabouts are you from?
USA,
Oh, cool. So yeah, we're a certified retailer of the Certified Angus Beef brand.
certified Angus beef.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we just received a lot of fresh materials. So you got some nice chopping board.
Oh,
Check
okay.
this out. That's really nice.
All right. You
Super
sell
heavy.
these? You sell these?
This is mostly for our shop.
Oh,
but
okay.
yeah, we're offering some really
Alright.
nice
Yeah, that's what's up.
certified Angus beef, and we work very closely with them as well in the States. Yeah.
Cool.
And we also do some tasting from time to time so people can understand more of how to cook steaks and burgers at home. A lot of people think that meat is kind of a mystery.
Right.
So we explain about the marbling grades as well and things like that.
So somebody could come to you and order a special cut or something?
Absolutely, and you can also customize the thickness, the weight, if you wanted
Okay.
something for your home. Meatballs, for example, we could specify the grind, the lean to fat ratio.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is some of your
It's some of our packages.
packages? Looking at, okay.
So, for example, we've got the Angus Taster Pack for $12.99, and then we have some other packs that you could choose for different types of
Korean
dishes.
pack, all right. Korean.
So you can kind of match the dish to the cut.
The Japanese pack,
Yeah.
all right.
And for now we're delivering for free within Cebu City. And
okay.
hopefully soon we'll also deliver to Lapu-Lapu and Mandaue.
All right, delivered for free in Cebu City. All right.
Yeah.
Very good.
Thank you very much.
I'm so glad I stopped in here.
Thank you very much for coming.
All right. So La Carne is in Banilid, and they are on Governor M. Cuenco Avenue in Banilid, right across the street from IT Park. Right there, that is the Sentinel condominiums. And this is a relatively new place, opened up in the last number of months, I think. Up above there, you've got it looks like a Japanese restaurant. And got a coffee shop down then. You got this, I think, is a salon. And because they're relatively new, a lot of these places are not open yet. I will stop in across the way over there. There's a Korean restaurant. I'll stop in there and give you a look around. But if you're looking for a place to rent in a mall like this, and down there at the very end, that building there is the 88th Avenue hotel, serviced hotel, apartment type places. And I will do a separate video about that. They've got studio 1 and 2 bedroom units in there. And nicer, larger units than what you find in many places. So that was an interesting look around there too. If you know this area, just to the left here, just a little ways, is the Crossroads, which has a number of restaurants, co-working areas. Nippon Paints, there's a tea house there opened up. Kind of a nice area out here for sitting, and it's nice that they're in the shade too. This was early afternoon. Tom Tom Coffee there. And entrance to the hotel is over here as well. And they have only been open. They're looking for long-term tenants. They've only been open a few months, I think. They've got 3 tenants in there presently. And admin is up on the 2nd floor, so you take the elevator up to the 2nd floor. This is an interesting location, and there's the hotel. That's the grand residence of that tall building still under construction. And here I'm on the other side of the sidewalk here. Just come out of the Carne meat shop here, and they've got a couple other stores here.
Tasted Cream Milk Tea Gourmet House. The Cook Pub. Modern Korean bistro and bar. Looks like a nice place. Hello. Huh. Hello. Huh?
Would you like to eat?
You know,
I checked out their menu, and they had a pretty interesting and extensive menu as well. So worth checking out, especially if you enjoy the Korean type dishes. This is Governor Cuenco Avenue. And just to the right is IT Park over there. Pretty busy main road here if you go that way. You go to Country Mall down that direction, and this direction takes you back towards Ayala Mall. Now Ayala Mall there's some high-speed internet wires there. Grand Residences down that direction. They've got 2 towers open, and they're building, I think, 2 more tall towers. And as I was saying, I get sidetracked. This way, continue straight down here for about 1 kilometer, 0.6 miles or so, 0.6 of 1 mile. And you will then take a left, and you will run right into Ayala Mall. So it's a pretty good location. They're kind of interesting to see what that mall will end up being as more and more businesses move in there. I will definitely be ordering some of that meat in the near future. That building on the right up there, the taller building, that is Avenir Condominium. I've done a video of when they were still building it. One of a few companies that gave me a hard hat and said, come and look at our units. Even took me up on the very top up there. They have a roof deck. They are considered primarily work condominiums, office condominiums, and they even offered to supply what we would call something like a Murphy bed, a fold-down bed. You fold the bed up, and it turns into a a love seat or turns into a desk, so you can have people living there and working there as well. And they also had leasing arrangements where they would help you to lease out your units. Anyway, I've been trying to get back. Every time I've been by there, I've been wanting to go up on top there to get a view now that it's all finished and people have moved in and see that roof deck area. So one of these days I will get by there when they're not closed for lunch. Anyway, thanks for coming along. Check out that La Carne meat shop and the Korean restaurant there, maybe the Japanese restaurant upstairs, the tea house. And anyway, take care, and I'll see you next time.